Most AI coding tools can suggest a patch. The hard part is knowing whether the bug is real and whether the patch actually fixes it. DevSleuthAgent does that work. It takes a vague Jira bug report, investigates it against the real codebase, and produces evidence before any code change can be trusted. Let me show you. Here is a real Jira ticket, labeled for the agent the moment it is created. A signed webhook triggers DevSleuthAgent. No copy-paste, no manual handoff. DevSleuthAgent connects to the mapped GitHub repository, pins the exact commit, and starts investigating in the background. The result is always tied to a specific version of the code. Meanwhile, the UI stays responsive. It shows live progress from code grounding through sandbox execution to the final verdict. Now, here's the key idea. GPT 5.6 is the investigator, not the judge. It reads relevant code and proposes a regression test using the application's real APIs. But it never gets to decide that the bug is reproduced. The test runs in a lockdown Docker sandbox, no network, and read-only code. And one failure is not enough. DevSleuthAgent runs 2 clean replays and checks that the failure signatures agree. Here is the evidence: the generated test, the real sandbox failure, and the matching replays. It leaves an auditable trail from the original ticket to the exact code change the reviewer sees. And if a generated test fails only because it contains a bad assertion, the evidence gate catches that. It does not call it an application defect, so the verdict is reproduced. Not because the AI sounded confident, but because sandbox evidence proves it. If the evidence does not hold up, the agent stops and tells Jira exactly what it tried. It never invents a fix for an unproven bug. Only a proven bug enters the fix workflow. GPT 5.6 proposes a minimal source change. DevSleuthAgent proves the test fails before the patch. It applies the change in a throwaway checkout. It proves the test passes afterwards. Then it runs the full repository test suite. Here is the validated fix. Nothing has been pushed yet. Now the pull request. DevSleuthAgent rechecks the GitHub base commit, creates a dedicated branch, and opens a draft pull request. It never merges or deploys. A human still reviews the change, and if a team opts into fully automated mode, the same validation gates can take future tickets all the way to a draft pull request, never a merge. Finally, the pull request link and the validation evidence go back to the original Jira ticket. From a vague bug report to a proven reviewable fix, every important decision is backed by execution evidence, not AI guesswork. That's DevSleuthAgent.